Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from PayPal to Binance. So let's get into the video. So if you want to transfer from your PayPal straight to your Binance, unfortunately there is no option for you to do that straight away. But as a workaround, what you can do, you can only able to transfer from PayPal to Binance through your bank account. So what you have to do is simply go to your PayPal, log into your PayPal, and then add your bank account to PayPal. Use the bank account that you will normally use on Binance as well, so that if you use the common bank account, it will be easier for you to process. So simply link your bank account. Simply link the bank account that is common on Binance as well. Link it, fill in the details, and then hit link. And then once you have linked the bank account, so now you can transfer your PayPal funds to your bank account. So once you have done that, so now you have the funds on your bank account from PayPal. And then when you get to Binance, you can simply add on your Binance wallet, you can simply add your bank account that you just transferred. You can link that to Binance, so you can use that account to pay for any transactions on Binance. So in that way your funds will be used from PayPal to Binance through your bank account, as there's no direct ways of doing this. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.